If you're trying to pay for ChatGPT and keep seeing the message, "Your card has been declined," don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step. Most of the time, this is not a ChatGPT problem itself. It can be caused by a browser issue, a bank security block, a payment gateway issue, or even a temporary mismatch with your card details. So before you panic, let's work through the solutions in the right order. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to keep making simple guides that save you time. First, let's start with the easiest fix, which is opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private window. This helps clear out browser cache issues, extension conflicts, and saved session problems that can sometimes interfere with the payment screen. If you were getting a vague error or the page seemed to loop when you tried to pay, incognito mode is often the quickest way to test whether your browser is the problem. Open a private window, go back to ChatGPT, sign in again, and try the payment one more time. If that does not work, move on to the second fix, which is trying the ChatGPT App Store or Google Play version instead of the went payment flow. In some cases, paying through the mobile app can bypass a Stripe gateway issue that may be blocking the transaction on the browser. If your card was rejected multiple times on the website, switching to the app can sometimes solve the problem immediately. Just make sure you are signing into the same account and trying the same subscription again. Now, the third fix is one of the most effective: contact your bank. A lot of card declines happen because your bank sees the payment as unusual, foreign, or high risk. Sometimes they automatically block the transaction, even when your card is valid and your balance is fine. Call your bank or use their app chat support and tell them you are trying to make a payment to OpenAI or Stripe. Ask them to whitelist the merchant or approve the charge. If you received a message saying the transaction was declined, this is often the reason. Many people are surprised to learn that the card is actually working, but the bank's security system is the thing stopping it. The fourth fix is to try a different card if you have one available. Sometimes the issuing bank has a hard block on AI services, international payments, or recurring online subscriptions. If one card keeps failing and another card works right away, that tells you the issue is with the original card or bank policy, not ChatGPT itself. If you can, try a debit card, another credit card, or a card from a different bank. Also, double-check the basics before trying again. Make sure your card details are entered correctly, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Even a small mismatch in the billing zip code or address can trigger a decline. If you recently moved or updated your card, this is especially important. A fresh, accurate billing address can make the difference between a failed payment and an approved one. If the payment still fails, wait a little while and try again later. Repeated attempts in a short period can sometimes cause extra security flags. Giving it some time before retrying can help reset the risk checks on the bank side or the payment processor side. So here's the quick recap. Try ChatGPT in incognito mode first. If that does not work, try the App Store or Google Play payment flow. Then call your bank and ask them to allow the charge from OpenAI or Stripe. If needed, use a different card, and always make sure your billing details are correct. If this guide helped you fix the card declined error, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.